today's video, we are going to look at one of the new features in Google Calendar, which is when accepting an event, you can now define if you will be participating, virtually speaking, or in a meeting room. So to do this, when you go to your Google Calendar and you see a new event, you will click on it, and from there, you will have yes, no, maybe. As you can notice, next to the yes, there is a little arrow, and if you click on this arrow, you are now able to define if you will be participating by simply clicking yes if you are going to be in a meeting room or if you are going to be joining virtually. When you click on it, you will have the little symbol that will appear either virtually or in a meeting room. Another thing is that this is also doable via the Google Calendar add-on in your Gmail. So when you come to your Gmail and you go into your calendar add-on and you click on the event, you can always define it via the yes arrow. And in here, you can define if you will be present in a meeting room or virtually. That will be it for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.